Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I went thrifting. So if you are interested in an everyday person living an everyday life at an affordable price, just keep watching.
Dig deep down and ask yourselves, who do you want to be? Not what, but who. I'm talking about figuring out for you.
Hello everyone, again welcome back to my channel, and like I said in the intro, we went thrifting. This would be episode 6 if I'm not mistaken. I'm keeping track now. Now we got these videos going and they moving. I'm keeping track of how many we have so far. And as you all can see, we may have an episode 7 or 8 because this bag keep filling up, and y'all, I don't know. I don't know. But what I do know is you should be subscribed to my channel, and if you're not, why not? Go ahead and subscribe to this channel, press the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. Also, as you guys may know, follow me over on all my other platforms, all under Judy Tenier, so that you can get fashion content on a daily over there. I also post my stories, all kinds of gems and, you know, little tidbits, life hacks where you can save some money on your shopping. So make sure you check in my stories also, especially on Instagram if I'm not mistaken. But again, follow me on all those other platforms. So we're going to make this outfit of the day super quick. I think you guys, I posted this sweater and pants and a short. However, the shirt that I had on underneath it was a white shirt that I thrifted. It's actually in this thrift haul. And so the sweater I got from Target, the pants I got from Target, this turtleneck today that I'm wearing with this outfit, I got this from Target as well. Necklace I got from TJ Maxx. The earrings I got from Zara. That would have been in one of my new in hauls, and I will leave that video, I want to say over here or over here, one of those, but I'll leave it in one of the cue cards so that you can check that video out as well. And also while you're there, make sure you check out all of my other videos. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. And let me move over so that I can style everything over there. Now, these guys, these is definitely my favorite in this particular haul, okay? So what I'm going to start doing is I'll show and style, and I want you guys to stay all the way to the end of the video so that you can see how I style all of this stuff. So I'm going to start making these videos. We'll do maybe 5 pieces because I am trying to make these videos a little bit shorter. So this one here is definitely my favorite thrift, okay? These were $39.99 and I paid full price for these. Now, these are 100% leather. And as you guys can see here, where are you finding a pair of leather pants for $40 from? Let's get into the next one. Now, since we're talking about leather, now I want y'all to pay attention to this here. This is faux leather. Now, y'all see the difference in what that look like? Faux leather, leather. Anyways, so let's get into the next one. These here, it was actually a yellow ticket day that day, so I ended up getting these. Or maybe it wasn't. I don't know. It may have been a yellow ticket. I don't know exactly what ticket it was. No, actually, it was pink ticket that day. But anyways, yellow ticket. They were $6.99, and this is size large. I think they came from Fashion Nova. But yeah. Faux leather pants, there's so many different ways that you can style these here. Also, they have like a fleece lining, so they'll definitely keep me warm and everything. But yeah, I'm going to style it over here. So many different ways that you guys can style this. You can style it under a skirt, a tunic top on top of it, a nice long sweater like this on top of it. I mean, the ways that you can style these are endless. So if you ever see a pair of faux leather leggings or jogging pants or any type of, I mean, like legging or something like that, make sure you snag that thing up because there's so many different ways that you can style it. So many different ways. All right, let's get into the next one. Just a pair of cream color pants, and again, they are high rise, and then they have like a skinny leg, I guess you could say, a tapered leg or whatever. These are a size 10. Now imagine, those are 14, these are 10. So remember what I told y'all, Don't pay attention to sizing. Pick it up if it works when you get it home, or when you go to the thrift stores. This is another tip. When you go to the thrift stores, wear a pair of leggings. You can try it on right there in the store. See if it works, see if it don't work. If it don't work, leave it at the store. If it worked, then, or if you don't try it on, take it home, try it on. If it don't work, give it to a loved one. You know what I'm saying? Like, or sell it. Whatever it is, sell it on Poshmark or whatever. But at $6.99, whether I could fit these or not, I would have still picked them up, because I have sisters who definitely could have fit these, but I can fit them, so that's the best thing about it. All right, and this is our last pair. Even like starting out during the day, running a few errands to throw something like this here, a pair of boots and a sweater or something like that, or a vest, that's perfect. Okay, and then at $6.99, but these here, perfect for that mid weather. Again, running errands during the day. Today would have been a perfect day to wear something like this here. Throw on a long sweater on top of it, a blue jean jacket, a nice thick sweater, or you know what I'm saying, just a leather coat, a bomber, you know what I'm saying, like anything. There's so many different ways that we can wear and style these. Okay, so that will bring us to the end of this video. Again, leave a comment. I want for you guys to start leaving comments and let me know which outfit or which item from the thrift was your favorite. Again, those leather pants, yeah, that's so good. They are so good. Those leather pants is pantsing. Let me stop. Y'all know how I feel about that. But anyways, those leather pants are so good, so good. So again, meet me back here on Tuesdays for Impromptu Tuesday and every Friday for Fashion Friday. Also, I have a huge announcement. So, and I'm announcing it on my channel because I want you guys to hold me to this. I am doing Vlogmas. However, we're not doing 25 days over here because 25 days of videos back to back. And if you don't know what Vlogmas is, it's basically you guys will get a video every day for really 25 days. Me, on the other hand, I work, I'm a wife, I'm a mother. I'm an auntie. So I'm not going to promise you guys 25 videos. However, I am going to do 12 days of Christmas. Vlogs will consist of like I said, hair, makeup, all kinds of stuff. So, and it won't necessarily be like just following me in my everyday life or anything like that, because of course I don't do stuff. I go to work every day and I come home and I cook and wash dishes. That's boring. Y'all believe me, y'all don't want to see that. But on those days, it'll be a vlog like video, whether I'm doing skincare, hair, whatever it is that I'm doing that day that I feel like is important, and you guys can either learn something from it, gain something from it, anything like that. And just letting you guys kind of like a little bit more on the inside of my life without it being so not filtered but edited. You know what I'm saying? So again, thank you guys for visiting my channel, and thanks again for always coming back to support me week after week. I do appreciate you guys, and I will see you all, if not Tuesday, then next Friday for more Fashion Friday. Bye, y'all.
Dig deep down and ask yourselves, who do you want to be? Not what, but who. I'm talking about figuring out for yourselves